Hey y'all, iRick Guy here, and I want to respond to a question. How do you tell if your Apple Silicon Mac is optimized for Apple Silicon programs or if it's using emulated Intel programs? So I'm running I've got the Mac Mini M1, as you can see there. And so what I did, I launched this program, and you can find this, go into Applications, Utilities. It's called Activity Monitor. And within Activity Monitor, what one can do is go here where it says CPU. And then once you go to CPU, see right here, it's got this field that says Architecture. You can sort by architecture. So you can see here, I've got Intel. These are the programs that are running Intel. So, if you're on the fence, you're like, man, there's not enough stuff that's running Apple Silicon yet. Well, let me show you what's running Intel. Spotify, that's non-essential. Firefox, which I think the Firefox Apple Silicon may be in beta. I typically don't use Firefox. I use it for certain tasks that I do. And other than that, what I have that's still running Intel emulated is a VT encoder, a Dolby Digital. Curiously enough, what is the Dolby Digital encoder for Final Cut? Because Final Cut Pro 10 is Apple Silicon enhanced. But see, that's all that I've got, dude, this Intel. Look, see. So now I scroll down my list. Apple, 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 Apple. So see, all of these programs are Apple, 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 Apple. So, I don't have any concerns with, there's a lot of people that's like, man, there's just not enough stuff on Apple Silicon yet. And that's, in my opinion, now it depends on what you do. For me, I'm a video editor. I'm a professional video editor. I run iRick Guy's Adventure channel where you're watching this. So subscribe if you haven't already. I'd appreciate that. I'm an independent YouTube channel, so I need your support. But you can see, all of this is Apple, dude. I mean, tons of stuff, tons of stuff. Tons, tons, tons. So, yep. So that's how you tell which programs you have on your Mac that are running Apple Silicon optimized programs, or if they're still using the Intel. So again, just to recap, go into Activity Monitor, and then select the CPU tab, and then select Architecture. And you can sort it by Intel. You can see there's my Intel. It's a short list. And then I go down to Apple, which is a long list. So if it says Apple, that's Apple Silicon Enhanced program. If it says Intel, it's probably running what's called Rosetta 2. So tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. And ask any questions that you may have, man. I've been using my Mac Mini M1 for several weeks now. I've been super stoked by the performance. I've got the MacBook Air M1 en route, and it was delayed because I changed my order because I had a really spec'd out one, and I'm like, dude, I'm like in the field, I don't need something so powerful. So I just kind of got a more base model MacBook Air for the field. But this thing's a boss, man. Tell me what you think within the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.